Hello everybody, this is me, John Salazar, in this case to give answer to the Task 6 final exam on word formation in the language for a function course presented to the tutor Angie Carolina Rojas, Group 16, National Open and Distance University. For this activity, I choose to work the topic through creation. And for this reason, I'm going to give a little definition about it. And it said, the root creation is a term in word formation for the creation of a new root, base, or simple word. They often provide to be based on existing words or names. For example, in IBM, initial of International Business Machine. But this process is usually compared with compounding and derivation because in all the cases we need to mix or blend two words to create a new one. In the following examples, we can watch in the left side the roots and in the right side the rest of the word. In this case, for example, the root aku, that means water, and create the word aquatic. In the root geo, that means land or air, and create the word geolocalization. In the root Bible, that means in this case book, create the word bibliographic. The root chrono, that means time, create the word chronometer. And the root hydro, that means liquid, some liquid, create the word hydrologic. Okay, here is some reference where I could get information about it. Thanks a lot and blessing.